video I will discuss about on-off delay. This is a one timer which is having two functions together. This can give on delay function as well and will give off delay function as well. As you can see on the screen, this is one on off delay which is having one input terminal which is called the trigger terminal and one is the output terminal. Let's see, for the demonstration purpose I will take one input I1 and I will take one output which will be Q1. So let's do the connections. I1 is connected on the trigger point, Q1 is connected with the output terminal. Now this is a type of timer which is giving on and off delay function in one timer. So let's do the programming. This is my on time delay. So suppose I want to keep it 10 seconds, you can change it to hours, minutes and seconds, up to you what time you want. So on time delay, if I switch on I1 after 10 seconds, I will get output from the timer, and this is my off delay. Suppose I want it 4 seconds. So if I switch off I1, the output will be disconnected from the timer after 4 seconds. Let's see how does it work. So let's do the demonstration. I will trigger I1 and you will see after 10 seconds the timer will start giving output. Once I stop input to the timer on the trigger terminal, the output will be continued for 4 seconds and will be switched off after 4 seconds. So let's see how does it work. You can see I1 is on but the output is still off. Count 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you will get the output. As you can see, our output is on now after 10 seconds. Now let's see the off delay. We will switch off I1 and you will notice after 4 seconds the output will go off. You can see I1 is off but Q1 is on, and after 4 seconds Q1 is going off. So this is how on-off delay timer works. Let's go towards the next type of timer. So the next timer is very interesting, which is called whipping relay. This is one whipping relay. As you can see, this relay will be switched on until you set the time for the pulse length. So this is the pulse length. You can set any time for this. I will set 15 seconds. So let's take one input I1 and one output Q1, and you can see the connection. I1 is connected to the trigger point and Q1 output is connected to the output terminal of the timer. Let's see the demonstration. How does it work? You can see for 15 seconds our output will be on and will go off automatically after 15 seconds. You can see the input is still on, but the output is off. It works like a staircase relay. You can fix it there. Just press the button, then automatically it will go off after 15 seconds. You can see the input is still on, but the output is off. Now let's see again. Keep in mind, if you switch off the input before the program time, the output will go off as well. Let's try that. You can see I switch off I1 before completing the off time. The output is off. So the input must be on if you want to complete the programmed off time. So let's see again. After 15 seconds it will stop giving output. So this is how the pulse output relay or whipping relay works. Let's go towards the next type of relay, which is also very interesting relay, which is called edge triggered relay. That is called edge trigger relay or edge triggered whipping relay. Now you can see I have this one edge trigger whipping relay. Now how does it work? This relay will works through the pulse and impulse duration. You can set the number of pulses as well, for how many pulses and impulses you want to continue your device on. Let's see. We will take one input I1. Let's take one output, which will be Q1. So input I1 connect to the trigger terminal and output connect to the Q1. Now we have to set the time. You can see now we are having two types of timing here. One will be our on time and other will be our off time. This is pulse width. This relay will works only with the pulse width, so you can set the length of the pulse width here. Suppose I will take it 10. So if the length of the pulse is 10 seconds, the relay will giving output for the 10 seconds. And this is the interpulse wet setting when the pulse is going from 1 to 0, that is called the interpulse wet. So between two pulses we will be having one interpulse. So let's set the half of pulse, and here you can select the number of pulses. You can suppose I will take 3 cycles. Keep in mind one cycle will be having 2 pulses. So let's do. Now the relay will be on and off 3 times. 3 time on, 3 time off, because in one pulse it will on once, and in the next will be on once, and the third cycle will be on once. So let's do the demonstration. Keep in mind for 10 second on, for 5 second off. So let's do the demonstration. You can see the input is on, but the output is still off. After 10 seconds it's on. You can see it will go off automatically. You can see it's off for 4 seconds. Will be on again. You can see it's on again. You can see it will go off again, and it will go off after 10 seconds, after 4 seconds off, and will be, you can see now, completed 3 times. The cycle was 3, so for the 3 times on and off. So this is how the H trigger whipping relay works. Your output will be on only during the H of the pulse, and during the impulse your relay will be off. As you can see, the 3 pulses are completed, so the output is off. If you want to set it, you can set it again, so the output is on for 10 seconds. Now off. Now again on for 10 seconds will be on, and during impulse for 4 seconds it will be off. You can see now it is off. So this is how this relay will be on and off the output as per the program pulses and the number of cycles. Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy this video. Keep watching my next videos. Don't forget to like the video. Please comment and share the video.